Hey guys, it's Liv, and welcome to a new video. So, this looks gross, so like, move that, because like, what even is that? Oh, stop. Hello? Hey guys, we moved to a new era. So these guys helping us pack in the back, so I'm so excited to show you guys our new house. Let's get her started. There's people staring, so I think I'm gonna run. But so oh my god, what is that? So I'm actually getting a bunk bed for me and that Twizzler over there. That's my sister Canada. Okay guys, so as you know, I have a little brother. This is his room. As you know.
Hey, what's up?
So this is the first selection.
Steven, look how cute these are.
Liv.
Get out. Got it guys. So sorry about my family, they're really annoying. But as you know. It smells in here. Let's try this home. What it be?
Hey Liv, would you like to play my game? You get to spin the wheel.
Time to spin the wheel
Well,
of
this is my game. You get to spin the wheel and then you win a prize.
Alright.
Would you like to try?
Yep.
Go ahead and spin the wheel. Where the wheel lands, nobody knows. That's the secret to the game. Are you 23 years old?
No.
Oh, sorry, you didn't win. My bad.
Bye for today.
Try again next time when you're 23.
Look at this. Right away. You just fly. Okay guys, so I really want these paintbrushes. I mean like look at them. And then think of the child that you could be saving right now. I didn't find a bunk bed. And I didn't think I would, I mean, but you could. Alright, guys. Put her over. Guys, they left my noodle sandwich here. I'm so happy. Literally, I'm so hungry.
This is a music bed.
Oh, wait a minute.
It's called a tube lamp.
Sure. Me bears and my life is saved. I'm done. This place is all fake. I'm getting out of here. Come on, guys. Okay, boys and girls, thanks for helping. We found it. Thanks for spotting it in the comments below. I know you could do it. I don't know who that was, but
I love ice cream scoops, especially yellow ones. Hey, put the camera back on me. Back on me. I love ice cream scoops.
she's jealous that Ikea gets me. Oh my god. What are these? I want like a quilt. Dad, can I get this? Maybe wait. Moccasins.
Where's Katie?
off the water. Beep beep be my BFF, because I know when you're coming next. So guys, I be jumping out the house. I ain't touching that again.
Dad, what'd you do?
Whoa, this is cool.
To hang your pantyhose on?
Cheers.
You're getting one for
It actually does look like a rubber band for your hair. It's kind of chintzy. Yeah, look at it without it. It's just a rubber band for hair. Under. Turn it up. Turn it up. Turn it up.
Okay.
Turn it on. Turn it up. Turn it on.
How about getting one of those?
Bye bye for now.
I know I like the big spotlights too.
Hey guys. So we back at it again. Helping people in need. Welcome to my holiday boat. This is me and my robot, Johnny Cella. He got dislocated, so I had to throw him in the trash. I never really liked him anyway. Buddy. This is Giannicello, my plant. I named it the same name as my robot, Giannicello. This is also dead. Now it is. So guys, I'll see you at the restaurant where I'm eating my meatballs. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back. So right now I'm like eating a cinnamon roll.
You got it.
So I'm going to show you guys the process of getting home. I want to go back and I folded it up like a cute little girl. So let's go. What's going on? Oh! Come on, girls. Sing along, sing along. Let's go, let's go. Woo!
Or shimmer me.
It's my cinnamon buns. Open her up! Turn on the AC! Wait.
There you go.
It's on the AC.
Okay.
So, bye.